everyone, good morning student and happy new week. Okay, today we are going to be talking about mathematics. Okay, and under mathematics we have solved. Okay, solved simply means a rational and irrational number in their root form. Do you understand? So for example, we have square root of 2, square root of 5, they are all irrational number. Okay, so now let's go to class to learn more about solved. Alright, God bless you. Alright everyone, welcome back to class. So today we are going to be solving likely question for Waec Mathematics 2025-2026. Okay, so today we just have these two questions to solve right now. So they said calculate the value of x and y in the diagram below. So this is our diagram given to us. So and the number 2 said given that root 3 equals to 1.732, and now say evaluate 2 over root 3 to 2 decimal place. Okay, quickly let's just solve this together. So let's solve solution. Alright, so for example we are given this let me say number 1, we are given this triangle. So and how can we resolve this triangle? Okay, we need to know which side is given and which angle is given. If you look at this triangle very well, this is a 2 right angle triangle. There's one part here and the other part here, which is right angle triangle. Alright, so we have this angle 45 degree for this triangle and this angle 60 degree for the other triangle. So before you can resolve any one of them, you have to know that one side is given or the other side is given. Look at this one, we only have one side, which is y. It's not given also, so it's unknown. So this side is not given too, so we cannot solve this one yet. Okay, but look at this one now. This one is given 4 centimeters is given here. X is unknown, we are looking for x and we have angle 45. So we cannot resolve this triangle because we are given one of the side. Alright, so let's go. So we can have, let's redraw this. So we cannot have something like this. Okay, so this is our right angle. Okay, this is our right angle. So we have angle, we have x here and we have 4 centimeter. Alright, so now we can now resolve this one. Okay. Alright, look at it now. This is our right angle. Okay, so this is 4 centimeter each. This place can be our hypotenuse. So yeah, this is our hypotenuse because it's the angle facing this side. So here is given to us as what, 45 degrees. So we can now solve now. So we are now going to check which one can we use. What is the relationship between this by using this called SOHCAHTOA. Okay, and how can we do that? Look at it now. If you check it very well, you see that this is our hypotenuse because the longest side, this is what we can also call, this is the opposite, this is the angle. So angle is facing here, this is our opposite. So we can call here to be what? Opposite, and here now will not be what? Adjacent. Okay, now we can now resolve. Now we are going to look at which relationship do we have here. Okay, so now look at it. We are working with opposite and what? Hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse is what? Opposite and hypotenuse. So we can work with what? Sine. We can make use of sine to get this value of x. Okay, now can I say using so that will now be what? Sine 45 degree equals to what? You can say is opposite over what? Hypotenuse. So using so we cannot say sine 45 degrees equivalent to what? Opposite is what? 4 centimeter, then over what? Hypotenuse is what? X is the unknown. So now for which we get x, now you cannot say over 1, then you cross multiply. So from there, what can we do here? You cannot say x sine 45 degree equals to what? 1 times 4 is what? 4. So from there we can make x subtract from our x will now be equals to what? 4 over what? Sine 45 degrees. Then x is equals to what? So we are going to have 5.6, or you say we have what? 4 root 2. Okay, so that is be our value for this x here. So our x now is now what? 4. Can I go here and put it here? That will now be what? 4 root 2. So since we're getting this one now, we can now solve this remaining triangle. So we can now bring our triangle now to be in this form. Let's solve the remaining triangle. So we can now have something like this. Okay. So we after that, so we have our angle to be angle 60 degree. Okay, so what is, so we are looking for y. So now, so therefore, what is the relationship that we have? We have here will not be what, our new hypotenuse. Okay, here will not be our what, opposite. Then here will not be what, adjacent. Are you getting me? So if you are getting me, can you say yes? Type yes now. If you are getting me, type yes. Okay, now from there we now have, you know that we've changed it now. This pattern has changed because this is our new opposite now. This is our new opposite. No value is given yet, so we need, and this is what we are looking for. We are looking for this one now, which is our hypotenuse, because it's facing the right angle triangle, and the right angle, which is 90 degrees, facing here. So that will not be hypotenuse. Here's our y. What we are looking for to be our adjacent. So from there we can now say we are going to think that which relationship do we have here. Okay, using the SOHCAHTOA. So we are looking for, that is adjacent hypotenuse, that is car. We can use what, using car, which is cosine. So we can now say cos 60 degree, as the angle given, equals to cos 60 degree equals to, so what do we have here? So we have cos 60 degree equals to, let me see, we have, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we can now say cos 60 degree is now equals to, adjacent is what, y is what we are looking for. The hypotenuse is 4 root 2. Then we can what, cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, what are you going to have here? So we're not going to have y equals to what, 4 root 2 and cos 60 degree. We're going to have 2 root 2 centimeter. So don't forget this centimeter. Okay, so we're going to have 2 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so that is our answer for y. So we've solved that question. Okay, so the question 2 aspect, we can just have it here. Let's manage this page. So when we have this one, they say given that root 3 equals to 1.732, so we cannot say, and we have, they say we should evaluate this 2 over root 3. So anytime you see something like this, it means 2 over root 3. Then you know that we did something called rationalization. Anytime you have 2 over root 3, in that is just in like is something like irrational number. So what are we going to do? We are going to rationalize, then that is a short form. To rationalize, that will not be what, 2 over root 3, then multiply by what, we can say multiply by root 3 over root 3. So that is the meaning of rationalization. By, let me see, by rationalization. Alright, so now what are we going to do? We are now going to say we multiply this and this together. So we're now going to say 2 root 3. When you multiply the numerator like this, give us this over root 3 times root 3 is what, root 9. So we cannot have something like this. That's what, 2 root 3 over root 9 is what, square root of 9 is what, 3. So from there we cannot put the value, since root 3 is given to us to be what, 1.732. okay, so we cannot input it inside the expression we have. So we're now going to have 2 multiplied by what, 1.732 over 3. So we are going to see we have what now. So we're now going to have, so we are now going to have 2 times this will give us 3.464, then over 3. Divide both sides, divided by 3, that will not be what, 1.154. Don't forget I say to 2 decimal place. So therefore when you approximate to 2 decimal place, that will not be what, 1.1, because it's 4, so 1.15. So 2 dp. So that is our answer. Alright, so we are going to bring more video on the other questions. Alright, thank you for watching. God bless you. Also, don't forget to subscribe.